The search for water is one of the most defining moments for all life on land. Movement of animals in nature is dictated by the presence of water. Just as migratory routes of birds follow the paths of rivers and wetlands, it is astounding what water accomplishes or supports through its mere presence. Water gives rise to all life on Earth, and yet only 1% is accessible to us. However, the perception that it exists in bountiful amounts and needs minimum protecting is what has led to the scarcity of water. Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, is home to a plethora of migratory and resident birds, one of which was also saved by Buddha, the Sarus Crane. This magnificent bird, almost 5.5 feet tall, is the tallest flying bird in the world. It is a wetland-dependent species and requires protection for its survival. In the scorching summer heat, the cranes are compelled to venture in search of water, while drying ponds and dwindling wetlands is an everyday reality for this area in dry season. There is still hope. The Green Lumbini Initiative, a collaborative effort of Lumbini Development Trust, International Crane Foundation, and WWF Nepal, provides climate-resilient habitat for Sarus Cranes. The restoration effort has proved to be effective in enhancing the wetland habitat. By 2022, 10 wetlands amounting 20 hectares were restored in Lumbini Crane Sanctuary, collecting over 100 million liters water annually. This enhancement sparked a remarkable transformation in the wetland ecosystem in the area. Improvements were felt almost immediately with the return of the nesting Sarus crane and large herbivores. Following closely behind, the area saw an increase in the number of amphibians and reptiles, while different species of insects, birds, and animals formed a sustainable food chain within the wetlands of Lumbini, the rare Sarus crane being one of them. How these majestic creatures know about the return of the water is a mystery, but its return is the magic this area so desperately needed.